Legs. Come on, your forefinger, your forefinger. And your right leg straight. Foot down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Don't touch your foot. Inhale up. Exhale down. In. Out. Up. Down. Up. Down. Can I hear the sound? Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Stay here. Just counting 8. You can smile, don't worry. 7. And 6. Don't open your mouth. And 5. No need to dance. And 4. If it is your leg, you can lift it up. If it is your neighbor leg, you cannot. 4. Never down. 3. Counting 2. And straight. Stay here. Counting 8. Just going to finish. 7. Keep patience. It's compulsory in a hatha. 6. Mouth close. 5. And 4. 3. And 2. And relax. You like it? No. Okay. Change your leg. Left leg. Inhale, up, exhale, in, out, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Can you breathe now or not? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Stay here, up, 8, face, relax and smile, 7. In this difficult situation, you can breathe or smile or not? No, okay. 7, and 6, and 5,